Honey. Honey.
I come.
Honey, where me food?
I don't make it for you this morning.
But you know about what's happening?
You asked me what's happening. When last you eat and this was so? Why you not gonna treat? What's I blood enjoy for eat with your friends there? Instead, you ask me where me food. If you don't mind, I will do something very important inside before you call me also. Excuse me.
Senior James. We will never walk alone, man. Yes. And I hope that today this Arsenal game will go for Bobo in big time. Yes, Ibo. Our Bobo and a man will use. We don't beat them, but we will beat them. Jennifer.
Yes?
But you know they see me busy now.
So you know for all you picking? Are you want to say nonsense so come at the talk important fast to pick who you born? I don't say you didn't lost your senses of a father. I don't know which kind of live you safe. Geneva! Come. Wait here. Mama na Dennis. Mama Dennis is not the one time for winning at this Osiaso. I don't believe say doing these 3 days here. Many days going at this Osia, but it's like say they're very far from me.
I've been down there observe you, man, all this while. I know say you go want let it draw in attention to you, but sometimes at the manner of approach.
Mama, what say I not doing so draw any say attention to me? Not that this 3 days lockdown day because of the COVID-19. I be the expect to get a nice time with me man and us. But you know, get with time, he prefer for them on the phone with him party there.
No. Ma advise you like mama.
I don't see many people then they die now then come. Yeah. Don't see people them they cry for their love, cry for their loved ones. Say this na virus where they kill, now they watch you that you be. I like na president self feed the key. I like na governor self feed the key. Let me take precautions, precautions. Make we take precautions for that. Go on another play. Make we take precautions. Make we take precautions, sister. Go on another play.
You better think twice before you fall, brother. Avoid crowded places, install all this shit unbinding, hugging and kissing. I beg, please, lower left and small. Whether you reach or you pull, you short or you tall, this message to go for it all. Whether you reach or you pull, you short or you tall, this message to go for it all.
Yendi sayal sikama ubema, sahosi kasurula taijungoma. Baby unauni no hersini, no hersini.
It's okay. Baby, grab. Look, I don't know yesterday. Now, 7:30 now, so you get to work. You still in sleep.
Geneva. You see, I don't take 3 days excuse in the office.
What's for waiting?
I don't want to miss me lovely divine. And above all,
I love you.
You better stay focused.
Feel tired, get fever or get dry cough. Adding up for call 117 at once. Not play, no waste time. Cause all these are symptoms of the condition. When a corona, let we wash we at all times. Get your sanitizer with you at all times. Cover your mouth with tissue where you cough or you sneeze. Avoid contact with people in times like this. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Stay safe and make sure say your family secure. Not play at all with COVID-19. Cause this na sick we go kill you for nothing.
Precautions. Let me take precautions, brother. Corona not the play. Let me take precautions. Let me take precautions, sister. Corona not the play.
Oh yeah, you winning player, so we need to explain. But